Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we'll show you how to use Printify with Etsy. Are you looking for a fast guide on how to use Printify with your Etsy account? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so first things first, what you need to do is to log in and open your Printify account. Once in the dashboard, click on Connect Store. On the next page, what you will need to do is click on Add New Store on the upper right hand side. The next page will show you a variety of store options you can connect with your Printify. Click on the Etsy option and click Connect. The next page will be a request page asking you if you can connect your account. Scroll down and click on Grant Access. And there you go. Your Etsy and your Printify are now connected. It's that easy. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell option, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.